Gold was bearish yesterday. We can see a bearish candle formed at where the price reached 2952.97, the resistance level supply zone, where the candle day before has made a bullish breakout from this area of indecision range and reached the first resistance level. But we can see yesterday the price has bounced from that resistance and formed a bearish breakout going below 2927.76. We can see it is a bearish candle that has gone all the way to 288.84, which means the price has gone from below several of the support level. First one that I have mentioned yesterday, it was around 2907. We can see that here, where the open and close of these two candles are. And after that, second support level was below that, which is open and close of these two candles, and also open close between these two candles. We can see the price has gone also below that, forming a bearish breakout. So yesterday there was a strong movement because we can see the candle size was 2 or 3 times as the normal candle size, which we can see here in the last several days. So what we can say based on this bearish candle? Inside the premium analysis, I have shared yesterday several of these signals forming when the price was making a breakouts on the 1 hour time frame. We can see that on the 4 hour time frame, when the price has reached this resistance level, the price has gone down. We can see this bearish breakout has been formed. The target was here, and then the price has gone significantly strongly with one candle. And what we can see is the price has stopped just at confluence of support, because we have hit this horizontal support level at 2910.42, and we have here an option channel trend line which is acting as a support. So this was a confluence of support, a demand zone where the buyers are waiting, and also the sellers have gone outside of their trades. We can see the price try to move down the 4 hour time frame, but it was not possible. Let's see on a 1 hour time frame how this looks. The price has started from here, we can see that, and the price has gone bearish breakout here, then forming here, and then continue to lose its value, going even more and more down. Then the price, when reached 2895.83, the price has bounced from the support level and forming this bullish candles for several hours, where the price has reached 2927.76. We can see that here, a very important resistance level, which is currently active and bouncing back down. So we can see currently we have here a price forming a bullish breakout, which has been reached the target, and then forming a bearish breakout with the target here. So we can see that the price has confirmed this bearish breakout with the second candle, which means the price did not return back above this resistance level, which means this is a bearish breakout has been confirmed, and this line is currently acting as a resistance for the price. So I'm expecting there is a probability that the price will reach this area of support, which I have shared inside the premium analysis. Now what we can expect for today? We can see that the price is currently below this resistance level, so it is very important to see how this day will close. Will the price stay below this resistance level? If it stays, this will be a bearish breakout, which has been confirmed with the second candle, which is indicating further decline in value. If the price returns back above this resistance level, above 2927, this will mean a bearish breakout. This one that has been formed yesterday is invalidated, and it is expected that the price will continue to rise in the opposite direction, which means targeting 2952.97. Now, waiting for the whole day to pass, it is a little bit long to see how the price will behave, because also there is a possibility that the price returns immediately today to this price level, already reaching the potential target if the breakout happens. So what we can do? It is the best to see on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame how the price behaves. Will the price manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout going? We can see that a very important support and resistance levels. This means 2927.76 is the first resistance level for the price in order to reach and to make a breakout in order to continue to rise in value. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have currently 2921.22 as the first resistance level for the price that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value, reaching 2927.76. Now we can see the first level, the resistance level that needs to be broken in order to continue to reach 2927. This will be a first step. Second step, if the price makes a bullish breakout on the 1 hour time frame above this area of resistance, this will be indication of the price moving to the higher price levels. So currently I'm expecting that the price will drop down in value, reaching first support level. This will be right here, which will be again a confluence of support. We have here uptrend trend line, which is acting as a resistance. This is the blue line. And we have here horizontal line at 2914.85, which is acting as a support. The price in the last 2 hours have tried to make a bearish breakout going even further down, but it was not successful. So for now, what I can see, it will be very hard for the price to make a bearish breakout, which means continue to losing its value, going further down, losing its price value. Will that happen? This is something that we need to watch closely in the next 1 or 2 hours to see how the price will behave around this area of support and this resistance here. So for now, I'm expecting that the price will drop down, at least here at the start of this demand zone, and then I will see what happens, how the price will behave. But remember, we can see that 2914.85 is the first step in order for the price to continue to lose its value, and the second one will be 2910.42. If we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, if the price goes below 2910.42, this will be an indication for the price that the price could lose its value going even further down, where the next support level could be right here around 2896. 2896, we can see that 2905 is the first support level and 2895.83 is the second one. So 2896 is something that is visible here on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that where the price has stopped going even further down. So these are the levels that I am watching closely to see how the price will behave. But remember that we are currently in the uptrend. We can see how the price is moving higher and higher. So there is much more bullish momentum than it is currently on the selling pressure here. So we need to pay attention closely. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going below this confluence of support? It will, if it makes bearish breakout going even further down, going below the confluence of support, this will be indication of the further decline, where 2878.61 at the daily support level is the target. So currently the price is in the bearish mode, but it is at a very important support level, so we need to pay attention closely how the price will behave. This is something that I will watch closely and inform the traders inside the premium analysis how the price will behave around this area of resistance, this area of support, and this confluence of support here, which is a very important one. So be aware that we are currently at a very important levels, and we are in the bearish mode since yesterday because of this bearish breakout on the daily time frame, indicating further decline in value. But also there are sellers, there are buyers that are waiting and preventing the price from falling down. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and see you tomorrow again. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!